Hello everyone, welcome back to TK Code. In today's video, we're going to dive into the basics of C programming by creating a simple program that performs addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of two numbers. The first step is to set up your C programming environment. You can use an integrated development environment like Visual Studio Code. Make sure you have a C compiler installed. Now, let's write the code together. Open a new C file, and let me explain each line as we go. This line includes the standard input-output library, which is necessary for using functions like printf and scanf. Here, we start our main function. This is where the execution of our program begins. We declare two variables, num1 and num2, to store the user input. These will be the two numbers for our arithmetic operations. We're declaring four variables, sum, diff, prod, and quot, all initialized to 0. These variables will be used to store the results of our arithmetic operations. We use printf to display a message asking the user to enter the first number. Then, scanf is used to take the user's input and store it in the variable num1. Similarly, we prompt the user to enter the second number and use scanf to store it in the variable num2. Now, we perform the basic arithmetic operations. We calculate the sum, difference, and product of the two numbers. Here, we check if the second number is not 0 before performing division. If it is not 0, we calculate the quotient and print all results. Otherwise, we display an error message. Finally, we return 0 to indicate successful execution of the program. After writing the code, it's time to compile and run it. Show how to compile the program using your chosen IDE or compiler and demonstrate the output. That's it for today's tutorial on basic arithmetic operations in C. I hope you found this video helpful in getting started with C programming.